I'm Sarah.
And I'm Anna.
And this is our rooftop garden. We're up here today on the rooftop of Brody Joe's.
So there's a layer of landscaping paper down at the bottom, and then there's water bottles, and then another layer of landscaping paper, and then we've just put all the soil in here, and we are getting ready to plant these plants in here. So we've got yucca and we've got juniper, blue juniper. So we've been working on this for, I would say, Sarah, do you think like 2 years? Probably like 2 years. We started off trying to find a building, and then once we found a building to do it at, we had to figure out logistics of how these planters were gonna look and how they were gonna turn out. And we had a few different design ideas. I would say like a month or two ago, we got these planters in and had to figure out irrigation. Sarah figured that out, and now we're here.
So this has actually a lot of great effects. One is that it removes the heat island effect, or helps reduce it. The heat island effect is when cities become really hot because of urbanization, which since Salisbury is wanting to become a larger city, that's going to become an issue here. It's already a big issue in places like Baltimore and New York. Other great factors that it can help is to reduce stormwater runoff. It also helps, it's economically friendly because it helps with insulation. And the plants will be absorbing the sunlight instead of the blacktop roof.
So we have this demonstration that we use at different outreach events, and it's got two cardboard boxes. One's got painted white at the top and one's painted black at the top, and they're used to mimic buildings. So what we do is on the one that's painted white, we put different succulents and stuff, and then on the one that's painted black, we just leave it how it is, and we put two thermometers inside the boxes, and we put heat lamps on the boxes at the same temperature, and the thermometer, we look at it after maybe like 5-10 minutes, and we look at the difference of temperature, and every single time the one with the white top and the succulents is greatly lower than the one with the black top, and it's to mimic the insulation effects that the plants have on the building. I think I'm most proud of I don't know, I like the fact that we've had so many people be able to help us with this project, like B&B Construction and people who donated the soil and the plants and everything. I think that's really awesome that we have such cool people that are willing to help us with this.
I'm really proud that we were able to do something this big. We're high schoolers, and we were able to make an entire rooftop garden on a commercial building, so I think that's pretty cool.